You ready, Race? Here's a lion. Huh? I see a feet there. What is that? They look like tigers. Hey, I see you.
Welcome to SuperBaby Colors.
Hi, Tiger.
Daddy, secret door.
What happened?
Secret door.
You found a secret door?
Yeah,
To where?
to Ryan's house.
To Ryan's house again?
Yeah,
Where's the secret door at? Uh-oh, it's going down. Let me see.
right here.
Where?
Here.
That's a secret door. That's an Amazon box. Are you sure?
Yeah, the Amazon box.
Really? Open it up. What's inside of it? Oh, there's nothing inside of it. But we gotta get in?
Yeah.
Okay, you go in first.
Okay, now get in.
Okay, here we go. I'm coming in. I'm coming in. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We're going, Tiger. Whoa, whoa.
Dad, I think we're here.
Oh, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Whoa, look at that. Whoa, Ryan's house is huge. Look at that. Wow. Wow, baby, how did you get here? You beat us here again.
Again?
Wow. Okay, let's go check out the kitchen. Oh, wow. Look at that, Tiger. Look at the kitchen. Wow, look at that. Ryan's kitchen's huge. Wow, that's microwave, Tiger. That's the oven.
He got this.
Kitchen aid, I know. Wow, look at that cooking. Let's see what's in the refrigerator.
Yeah.
Anything? Wow, look at Ryan's house, it's huge.
This is the fish.
Look, I think I found another secret door, Tiger.
What?
Look, over there. Over there. Look. Wow, it's a big pantry. Look at Ryan like eating look. Yeah, he like macaroni and cheese and oatmeal stuff. Look, he love it. Wow, and he love the cookie. Friends bunny. Look, yeah. Oh look, that's when he like to eat the milk chocolate. Wow. And he like cereal. Look, he like eating cereal too. Tiger, look. Wow, let's go.
And he like eating chewy dip.
Yeah. Let's go in here. Let's see what's going here.
Oh wait, there.
Whoa, whoa. What the?
Stay there.
Okay.
Look there. Magic.
Okay, go there. What happened? Wow, this is huge. Ryan's house is huge. I see you. What are you doing over there? Come on, baby Seth. Baby Seth, where you at? Baby Seth. Wow, look at that. He got the light in his cabinet, Tiger. He got lights in his cabinet. Wow, baby Seth, he got lights. Okay, let's go find Tiger. Come on, baby Seth, go find Tiger. Tiger, you in here? Tiger. Where did Tiger go? Baby Seth? Oh wow, this must be his sister room. Tiger, look. There's his sister out there. Look, that's his sister out there. Wow. Tiger, look. His sister and brother. Tiger, come here, let's go. Tiger. What's this? Huh? Wow, nice room. Wow, look at the restroom. Look at the floor. That's very nice. Wow, look at the door. Wow, look at this, Tiger. Wow, look at the tub. It's beautiful. What happened, baby? Where's Tiger? Let's go, come on. They might be coming. Baby Seth, let's go. This way. Oh, this way. Let's go this way. Let's see, this way. This is a big house. I'm looking lost, Tiger. Tiger, where's Tiger? Oh, I know where we're at. This is the kitchen here. Where's the kitchen? Wow, you got a nice TV too, Tiger. Tiger, where you at? All right, kids, we're looking for Tiger. I don't know where Tiger go. You in here? Tiger, you in here? Tiger. 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 I hear Tiger. Oh, here. Wow, look at this view. Awesome view. Look at that view. Wow. Look at that view. Here's somebody. Huh? Tiger, you in here? Huh? Where's Tiger? Baby Steph? In here? Huh? Whoa, this cloud. Look at this cloud. It's huge, Ryan. Whoa. Huh? Wow, look at a shower head. Huh? I see a feet there. What is that? They look like tigers. Hey, I see you. Ooh, hi. Whoa, look at that electronic shower. Oh my, wow, that is beautiful. Wow, no, don't touch it, don't touch it. It's an electronic shower. Yeah, no, don't turn it on, Tiger. Look at that. Wow. The shower, the water comes from there, Tiger.
Ooh, let's check out this place, shall we?
Wow.
What's this?
That's a closet. Look at that view, Tiger. You got a nice view. Look at that.
But Ryan's not that big.
He's big. He's big. Wow. You see the restroom? Nice. Look at the floor.
His sister loves it.
Yeah. See the restroom? Beautiful, huh? See that?
Okay, I'm gonna be in the restroom.
No, come on. Let's go, come on. Right, come on. Tiger, I hear somebody. Let's go. We gotta go. I hear a ding dong right now. Let's go. Go. Someone's coming. Go, Tiger, go. Go in the closet. Go in the secret door. Come on, secret door. Right there, Tiger, right here. Right there. That's it. Let's go. Yeah, go. Okay, here we go. Okay, close it. I think we're here. Tiger, are we here?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, open up slowly. Yes! We home! Baby Seth! We home! Hi, Baby Seth! We home! Hi, Baby Seth! We home! Huh? I thought we turned out to Ryan.
Oh.
What happened?
Oops.
We didn't turn out to Ryan. We just got home and we didn't turn out to Ryan. Yeah! Okay, we'll go back next time, right? Give to Ryan, got it?
Yeah.
The Burger King. Yeah, kiss Baby Seth, we home! Get excited, we home! Yeah! Woo. Yeah, we home! Kids, we made it home safe. What, Baby Seth is hanging out here. Hey, Baby Seth.
What is this?
Whoa, that's an Xbox controller. Is that Ryan or is that yours?
I don't know. Probably he gifted it to me. Because I saw it in the closet.
You saw in the closet?
I think he gifted it to me.
Yeah, we remember we were in the closet and we heard Ryan coming, so we just ran back in the closet and came back home.
Yeah.
Oh, he got ball. Look, he got ball for you.
He's a bone.
Yeah, you want to play with, all right, Baby Seth, way home. Yes. Baby Seth, high five. Is it high five? High five. High five, Baby Seth. High five. High five. No, high five. No. Oh, get daddy ball. Thank you. Brother, there we go. Thank you. Here, Baby Seth. That's your ball. That's the yellow ball, blue ball. Okay, SuperBaby Color, what you say?
Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, SuperBaby Colors. Pictures and subscribe. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.